Hello guys, welcome to the another video. Today we will talk about turn on, turn off and twist off, twist open. So let's see guys. So here you can see we have a hair trimmer. So here you can see this is a button of hair trimmer. So I will turn on the hair trimmer by pressing this button. So turn on, and I can turn off the trimmer by pressing this button. Turn off, turn on and turn off. What is meaning of turn on and turn off? Turn on, it means start flow or operation of something by pressing switch button or tab. So here we have button, so we can turn on and turn off the trimmer. I will give you some more examples like turn on the light and turn off the light, or you can say turn on the ceiling fan or turn off the ceiling fan. Same for faucet, turn on the faucet or tap and turn off the faucet or tap. I hope you got it. So you can see here we have the end cap of trimmer, hair trimmer end cap. So I will twist off, twist open. Same meaning, twist off and twist open. So I'm twisting off, twisting open the end cap of trimmer. So here you can see threads. These are male threads and these are female threads. Male threads outside and female threads inside. The things have threads like that. You will use phrasal verb twist off or twist open. So off means away from something, away from something. Twist open, and open means pulling away. So twist means rotation, a circular rotation. It can be clockwise or it can be anti-clockwise. I hope you got it. See you in the next video. Share with your friends. So now I will close the end cap of trimmer by twisting. I hope you got it. See you in the next video guys.